What if you could generate your own electricity, lower your power bills, and stay prepared during outages, all with the power of the wind? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 wind turbine generators of 2026. Whether you're powering your home, farm, RV, cabin, or an off-grid property, these wind generators offer impressive performance for different budgets and energy needs. Stay until the end to discover our number 1 pick. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the impressive 20-kilowatt vertical wind generator. Designed for residential installations, this powerful turbine features a durable 3-blade vertical axis design that operates quietly while capturing wind from virtually any direction. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. It's available in multiple voltage configurations, including 24, 48, 96, and 120 volts, making it compatible with a wide range of off-grid and backup power systems. Its low operating noise makes it especially suitable for neighborhoods where quiet operation is important. If you're looking for high output and dependable long-term performance for a large home or property, this turbine deserves serious consideration. Coming in at number 4 is this versatile vertical axis wind turbine, available in 5, 8, and 10 kilowatts. It's designed for homeowners, boat owners, cabins, and remote properties that need dependable renewable energy. A standout feature is the included HybridMPPT controller, which helps maximize charging efficiency by optimizing power production under changing wind conditions. Its vertical axis design offers excellent stability while maintaining low vibration and low noise. Whether you're building a hybrid solar and wind setup or upgrading an existing off-grid system, this model delivers outstanding versatility. Our number 3 pick is the Poland Stronger horizontal wind turbine, available in both 3 kilowatt and 8 kilowatt versions. Unlike vertical turbines, this horizontal axis model is engineered for excellent efficiency in consistent wind conditions. Its aerodynamic blade design allows it to start producing electricity even at relatively low wind speeds. Another advantage is its quiet operation, making it suitable for residential environments while still providing dependable charging for household battery systems. For buyers who have open land with reliable wind, this generator offers an excellent balance of efficiency, durability, and long-term value. Our runner-up is the CE-certified horizontal axis wind generator, available in 2 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt models. Built specifically for off-grid applications, this turbine combines efficient power generation with dependable performance at lower wind speeds. It supports multiple voltage options, including 12, 24, 48, and 96 volts, making it compatible with many existing renewable energy systems. Its rugged construction and international safety certification make it an attractive option for homeowners looking for reliable renewable energy throughout the year. And taking the number 1 spot is the Suxabai wind turbine generator. Available in both 500-watt and 800-watt versions, this compact turbine is an excellent choice for homeowners, farms, RV owners, workshops, and small off-grid systems. What makes it stand out is its combination of affordability, efficient energy production, and the included MPPT controller that helps maximize charging efficiency. Its compact size makes installation easier than many larger systems, while still delivering dependable renewable energy for battery charging and backup power. If you're entering the world of wind energy or looking for an affordable and practical renewable power solution, the Suxabai generator offers outstanding overall value. When choosing a wind turbine, consider your average wind speed, available installation space, battery system compatibility, voltage requirements, and your daily energy consumption. Selecting the right size ensures better efficiency and long-term performance.